Students, in last period we have learned about lanthanide series and its application. Now in this period we are going to learn about actinide series. Actinide series or actinide elements belongs to the second inner transition series in which electrons enters into high f orbital. Here modern periodic table. In modern periodic table, the elements are divided into 4 blocks: S block, P block, this is D block, and F block. Here there are series of 14 elements which are located at the bottom of periodic table. This is first series, which is called lanthanide series because it is followed by lanthanum, and then second series is actinide series which is followed by element actinum. Position of lanthanide was third group and sixth period. It is after lanthanum, so third group and sixth period, and this actinide series is located in third group and seventh period after actinum. Atomic number of actinum is 89. Then thorium. So there are 14 elements from thorium to lawrencium. This thorium having atomic number 90. Then protactinium, then uranium, this is neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, then nobelium and lawrencium. These are elements are these elements are prepared in laboratory. Only thorium and uranium are obtained from natural source. Most of the elements from neptunium to lawrencium, they are artificially prepared in lab by scientists, well-known scientists. Neptunium, then plutonium, americium, like this. So their names are derived from the name of scientist. These are the special two series, lanthanide series and actinide series. First series is lanthanide series. Lanthanum is not a part of this lanthanide series, only it is followed by lanthanum, so it is known as lanthanide series. And also here actinide series, it is followed by actinum, so name is given to that series, that is actinide series. Actually it starts from thorium 90 to lawrencium 103. Now we will see electronic configuration of this actinide series in detail. General electronic configuration of this actinide series is radon 5f0 to 14, 6d0 to 2, and 7s2. We know that radon is inert gas having atomic number 86. So here actinum having atomic number 89. So radon 86, then F0 6d1 7s2. It is expected electronic configuration. Then thorium 90, radon F1 6d1 7s2. One electron is added into F orbital. So actinum was not a member of this actinide series, only it is followed by actinum. So name is given that is actinide series. So first member is thorium having atomic number 90. Expected electronic configuration or in ground state, radon 5f1 6d1 7s2. So first member, so electron will enter into 5f orbital. Then second electron in protactinium having atomic number 91, radon 5f2. Here one electron is added into 5f orbital. So 5f1 to 5f2. 5f2 6d1 7s2. Then uranium, it is well known element having atomic number 92, radon 5f3 6d1 7s2. So in this way one electron is added. Neptunium 93, 5f4 6d1 7s2. Then plutonium having atomic number 94, radon 5f5 6d1 7s2. Then americium atomic number 95, radon 5f7 6d0 7s2. Here in plutonium there was 5f5 6d1. Now here directly 5f7 6d0 means in place of 5f6 there is 5f7. Why? Because one electron shifts from 6d to 5f7. So in place of 5f6 it is 5f7. Then again in curium one electron enters into 6d1. So as it is 5f7 6d1 7s2. Then berkelium 5f8 6d1 7s2. Then californium 5f9 6d1 7s2. Then einsteinium 5f10 6d1 7s2. Then in fermium having atomic number 100, 5f11 6d1 7s2. Then mendeleum having atomic number 101, 5 radon 5f12 6d1 7s2. Then nobelium atomic number 102, 5f14 6d0 7s2. Here again in place of 5f13 it is 5f14. Why? Because one electron is shifted from 6d orbital to f orbital to attain stability. And lawrencium having atomic number 103, here also 5f14 6d1 7s2. So it was expected electronic configuration derived from energy diagram of above principle. So 5f1 to 14, one electron is added into 5f orbital. Only few elements are there in which in d orbital there is 0 electron. So americium here 5d0, and in nobelium there is 6d0. Remember here americium and nobelium there is 6d0, here also 6d0, because to attain half filled orbital capacity of f orbital is 14. So here to attain half filled and here completely filled, so they will more stable than to attain extra stability. Now observed or experimental electronic configuration of this series, actinide series. Here electronic configuration of actinium having symbol AC, atomic number 89. So its electronic configuration as it is in expected, 5f0 6d1 7s2. Now here in thorium symbol TH, atomic number 90, observed or experimental electronic configuration is 5f0 6d2 7s2. Here one electron is shifted from 5f orbital to 6d orbital, from 5f1 to 6d. So here 5f0 6d to 7s2. Radon having atomic number 86. So here we considered directly electronic configuration of radon, whose atomic number is 86. Then after 86, here 88 and 2 90. Then protactinium, radon 5f2 6d1 7s2. Here is also as it is from in ground state and observed 5f2 6d1 7s2. Then in uranium is also radon 5f3 6d1 7s2. Then in neptunium radon 5f4 6d1 7s2. Then in plutonium, here one electron jumps from 6d orbital to 5f orbital. So in place of 5f5 there is 5f6. Here in ground state there was 6d1, here there is 6d0. So one electron from 6d orbital jumps into 5f orbital. So in place of 5f5 it becomes 5f6. Understand? Then in americium there is radon 5f7 6d0 7s2. Here one electron enters into 5f orbital. 6d orbital is vacant. There is no electron in 6d orbital. Then curium 5f7 6d1 7s2. So here one electron enters into d orbital. Then in berkelium 5f8 6d0 7s2. Then in californium having symbol Cf, atomic number 98. So here again one electron enters or jumps from 6d orbital to 5f orbital. So it becomes 5f10 6d0 7s2. So here in f orbital there are 10 electrons and in d orbital no electron. Then in Einsteinium having symbol Es, atomic number 99, electronic configuration is radon 5f11 6d0 7s2. Here also one electron jumps from 6d orbital to 5f orbital. Then in fermium having symbol Fm, atomic number 100. Here also one electron jumps from 6d orbital to 5f orbital. So it becomes 5f12. In ground state it was 5f11 6d1 7s2. So here one electron jumps from 6d orbital to 5f. So it becomes 5f12. Now in mendelevium having symbol Md, atomic number 101. So here also one electron jumps from 6d orbital to 5f orbital. So it becomes radon 5f13 6d0 7s2. Then nobelium having symbol NO, atomic number 102. So here electronic configuration in ground state and in excited state is same, because here 5f orbital having 14 elements. So it is completed in 14 in f orbital there are 14 electrons. So in lawrencium new electron will enter into 6d orbital. Here 5f orbital is completed, so it is stable. In this way, here electronic configuration of actinide series is given. There is one trick which is not given in our syllabus, only for our convenience or to remember. You can note in your rough notebook like this. एक था पागल, उसने नेपाल से पुणे तक अमेरिका के सीएम बर्केलियम को कॉफी ऐसी फरमाई कि मिडल नंबर लोअर हो गया. In this way you can remember, it is trick. Again, एक था पागल, उसने नेपाल से पुणे तक अमेरिका के सीएम बर्केलियम को कॉफी ऐसी फरमाई कि मिडल नंबर लोअर हो गया. So in this way you can remember symbol of this actinide series. Here we have seen electronic configuration of actinides. See here again, the last row of elements in periodic table is the actinide series. It begins from thorium having atomic number 90 to lawrencium having atomic number 103. Most of these elements are not found in nature. They are prepared in laboratory. Only few elements are found in nature. They are all radioactive and man-made. Half-life period of these isotopes of thorium and uranium are so long that these elements exist in rocks on Earth. Then the long-lived isotopes such as thorium, then protactinium, uranium, neptunium and plutonium, also americium, are studied in more details. These elements have high densities and high melting points and also high boiling points. Actinoids are less reactive than lanthanoids. For example, they react with hot but not cold water to give hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Unlike lanthanoids, they exhibit a range of oxidation number in their compounds which varies from +2 to +8. Most common oxidation number of lanthanide are shown in here. Here oxidation state is +3. Here 5F0 in actinium. Then here in thorium 5F1. Here one electron is shifted from 5F0 to 5F1. Then 5F2. Here 5F3. Same. Here 5F4. Here 5F5. Then 5F7. Then 5F7 in curium. Then in berkelium 5F8. In californium 5F9. Same. Here also in einsteinium 5F10. One electron is shifted from 5F to 6d orbital. Then 5F11. Same. Then in mendelevium 5F12. One electron shifted from 5F orbital to 6d orbital. Then in nobelium 5F13. So here also one electron is shifted. Then in lawrencium there is 5F14. So here most common oxidation state is +3. The most common oxidation state of early actinoids reflects the loss of all outer electrons which is similar to transition metals than lanthanides. The electronic configuration of lanthanide was Ln 4f, then 5d and 6s. But here in actinide series, the electronic configuration is radon 5f 0 to 14, 6d 0 to 2, 7s2. Means here 111 number is increased. In lanthanide series there was 4, here 5 and here 6. Now it is in actinide series, here 5, here 6 and here 7. So the most stable oxidation state in actinide is +3. The highest common oxidation state in early actinoid reflects the loss of all outer electron, which is similar to transition metals than the lanthanides. For example, here uranium has electronic configuration. In uranium, electronic configuration is radon 5f3, 6d1, 7s2. The formation of +6 oxidation state corresponds to an electronic configuration of radon. And similar to lanthanides, loss of s and d electron occurs before f electrons in the formation of +3 ions. A ready loss of 5f electron by early actinoids indicates that these electrons are much closer to energy to 7s and 6d electrons than 4f electrons are to 6s and 5d electrons in the lanthanides. In turn, 5f and 6s orbital expand as they are partially shielded from the nuclear attraction by 7s electron. As a result, 3 sets of orbitals, that is 6d, then 5f and 7s they have similar energies. Here atomic and ionic radii of these elements are given. Here atomic radius of actinium is 203, then atomic radius of